For the 7th challenge in art, you're going to do something similar to mimic a masterpiece. You're going to do it with laundry. You don't have to draw anything. You will have to do a little research on a piece of artwork and answer a few questions. Get ready. From pants and shirts, socks and scarves, turn it into a masterpiece. What will you create? Once you found the artwork you like, you're going to have to answer the following questions about it. What is the title? Who is the artist? And what year was it created?